let's talk about the form W-2. So if you are a salaried employee, you will get a W-2. This is not for independent contractors or freelancers. That's a 1099 in a different video. But for salaried employees, the W-2 is where most of your information lives. This reports information from your employer about how much you were paid, how much you contributed to your retirement plans or other employee benefits, and how much taxes were withheld by your employer. So let's answer that. If too much or too little was withheld by your employer, that information goes in your W-4. The W-2's cousin is the W-4, and that's what you fill out to tell your employer what your tax withholding should be. So check that out if there's something really kind of out of whack with your W-2. Now, for a lot of people, the W-2 is where most of your tax information lives. So it kind of helps you to determine if you're going to get a refund or you owe. But it's not the answer. All of the other information has to flow through your tax grid to arrive at that final number. So even if the W-2 is very important for you, it's not everything. Keep that in mind. Pro tip, however, if you want to check out on the W-2, the section where it is reported how much you contributed to your retirement plan. This would be your 401k or your 403b. That can be a key factor in determining your tax bracket. Like I said, a lot of other information goes into the 1040 and helps you to get to that ultimate answer. But for many W-2 employees, one of the key parts of determining how much tax is owed is also how much you put into a tax advantaged retirement account. So if you're near the edge of a tax bracket, you might consider increasing those contributions to your retirement plan because that can move you up and down in the tax grade. The other thing to keep in mind is if you didn't receive a W-2 by February, you want to contact your employer, especially if you worked part of a year and then maybe moved on to a different job. You're expecting a W-2 from your former employer. Maybe you didn't get one because you didn't update your address. That's a big mistake that I see a lot. So you may need to contact your former employer and let them know. And that's true for a physical mailing address or an email address, guys. So you have to keep your contact information updated. Make sure you're getting all of your tax forms. Really important. Hope that helps you on a W-2. See you in the next video.